We are here at Safran Aircraft Engine Services Brussels, located at the Brussels Airport. Safran, with 250 employees, specialises in MRO activities for the aircraft engines CFM 56-2, CFM 56-7, LEAP 1A, as well as the combustion chamber for CFM engines, and is a fully owned subsidiary of Safran Aircraft Engines. The partnership between Safran and modular dealer Vanas Engineering started in 2013. Safran now has 7 modular units which can meet different demands and can be used in a wide range of applications. Safran's first goal was to bring the parts closer to the engineers to allow them to be able to intervene more quickly on the engines, and also to help save space. Traceability, picking optimization, no picking errors and stock management convinced Safran to install 3 additional machines for consumable item storage. 2 of these, with a dual external delivery, have been used to store large and heavy parts. The 5th installation of a modular ML75D was the ideal solution to stock their large tools used for the maintenance of certain aircraft engines and which need to be stored carefully. The surface of the trays of this unit have been covered with a protective foam. Safran decided to interface Gigasoft Extended, which has been provided by Vanas Engineering, and its ERP system. The ERP sends an order list to the Vanas WMS, which arrives on the PC and waits for the OK from the operator. The picking order is established by the WMS, which results in the correct modular trays coming out to allow the products to be picked. The operator follows the suggested flows to complete the order. When picking is completed, products are added to the same box, which is sent to the technician. Cameras take pictures any time that a tray comes back, creating a PICS archive which can be easily consulted through the WMS software. This system provides the capability to find lost products, correct errors and correct users, control stocks remotely, check the history and detail, who, what, when, look for a product visually. Modular means security, accuracy, efficiency.